Today I am reviewing the Shark Steam and Scrub all-in-one steam mop. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. If you're looking for a powerful, easy-to-use solution for deep cleaning sealed hard floors, the Shark Steam and Scrub all-in-one steam mop is a product that immediately stands out. It combines the power of steam cleaning with active scrubbing technology, creating a more effective and hands-free cleaning experience compared to traditional steam mops. Right from the start, one of the biggest advantages of this steam mop is its dual-action cleaning system. It doesn't just rely on steam alone. Instead, it pairs powerful steam output with rotating scrubbing pads that move over 150 times per minute. This combination helps lift and remove stuck-on dirt, grease, and grime much more effectively than standard steam mops that only glide across the surface. In fact, the scrubbing performance is one of its strongest selling points. Shark claims it delivers up to 2 times better stuck-on stain removal compared to traditional steam mops. And in real-world use, that extra scrubbing action is clearly noticeable. Whether you're dealing with dried spills in the kitchen or foot traffic marks in hallways, the rotating pads do a lot of the heavy lifting for you. Another standout feature is steam sanitization. The mop uses only water, no chemicals required, to remove up to 99.9% of common household bacteria when used correctly. This makes it an excellent choice for households that want a more hygienic clean without relying on harsh cleaning products. It's especially useful for families, pet owners, or anyone focused on maintaining a healthier home environment. The design also makes everyday use very convenient. The mop features 2 steam modes, light mode and normal mode. Light mode is ideal for quick cleanups or light messes, while normal mode is better suited for regular, deeper cleaning sessions. This flexibility allows you to adjust performance depending on the level of dirt you're dealing with. One of the most practical elements is the XL removable water tank. Because it holds a larger amount of water than many standard steam mops, you can clean for longer periods without constantly stopping to refill. And when you do need to refill it, the removable design makes the process quick and simple. No mess, no hassle. Ease of use is another area where this product performs very well. The swivel steering system allows you to maneuver easily around furniture, corners, and tight spaces. The mop head glides smoothly across the floor, making the entire cleaning process feel more controlled and less physically demanding. Even in rooms with a lot of obstacles, it remains easy to navigate. The included Dirt Grip soft scrub pads are designed for both absorption and scrubbing power. They help trap dirt while also assisting in breaking down tougher messes. Another advantage is that these pads are machine washable, meaning you can reuse them multiple times instead of constantly replacing disposable pads. This not only saves money, but also makes the mop more environmentally friendly. In terms of compatibility, the Shark Steam and Scrub is designed specifically for sealed hard floors. This includes surfaces like hardwood, laminate, tile, stone, marble, and vinyl. On these surfaces, it performs consistently well, leaving floors clean, streak-free, and refreshed after each use. Setup is straightforward as well. Once assembled, you simply fill the tank with water, attach the pads, plug it in, and you're ready to clean. There's no complicated setup process or additional cleaning solutions required. Everything is designed to be as simple and efficient as possible. Of course, like any steam mop, it does have some limitations. It is not designed for unsealed wood or delicate flooring types, so users need to be mindful of where they use it. Also, while the rotating pads do a great job of scrubbing, heavily ingrained or long-neglected stains may still require multiple passes. However, for regular maintenance cleaning, this mop excels. It significantly reduces the effort needed to keep floors clean and sanitized, especially in busy households where messes happen frequently. Overall, the Shark Steam and Scrub all-in-one steam mop delivers a strong combination of power, convenience, and hygiene. With its dual steam modes, rotating scrubbing pads, large water tank, and chemical-free sanitization, it offers a modern and efficient way to maintain clean hard floors. If you want a floor cleaner that reduces effort, improves cleaning performance, and keeps your home feeling fresh without chemicals, this is a very solid investment.